Configuration of an additional door station. Touch the screen to activate the video intercom. Connect the additional door station. Touch Settings. Touch Installer. Touch On-Site Tools. Enter the preset password and then touch OK. Touch the icon settings of XN300. Touch Call NBR. Touch 1 on DS NBR. Enter 2 and then OK. Touch the icon back and then back again. Now connect the first door station. Now touch Settings. Touch Installer and then touch On-Site Tools. Touch the icon back and then back again. Make a test call with the first door station.
Call is in progress. Communication is finished.
Make a test call with the additional door station.
Call is in progress. Communication is finished.